See, that's all you can do. That's all you have to do. Even if you worked out for 8 minutes a day, whether you ran around the island, whether you ran on your stairs, or whether you got these ankles and don't do stairs, don't do running, but just do jumping jacks. I mean, you can do jumping jacks. You can just do kicks. I mean, you can just do anything you want to do for 5 to 8 minutes a day. I guarantee you will see a difference in your body. Thanks again for watching. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, click like button, and I'll see you next week.